Guys, if you've ever wanted to know what driving to Melbourne from Sydney is like with 2 dogs, here it is. Hello. Look at Mochi. Hey. We are going on a really long 8.5-hour drive with these 2 here.
Oh my god, you guys, the drive took so long. It was like over 9 hours. I kept falling asleep, but we also played really fun Christmas music to keep us going. The dogs were actually so chill the entire ride too, which was really surprising because normally they're not really good with long drives, but to Melbourne it was a straight road, so I guess it was fine for them. By the time we arrived to Michelle's house, it was like almost midnight, you guys. Very, very long drive. Oh my gosh.
Guys, it's currently 6 in the morning and we are in Melbourne. We're at Michelle's house. I just woke up. I'm so tired. We drove for like 9 hours last night. Oh my gosh. Today I'm thinking about going into the city and shooting in front of the iconic Chanel building. Just want something a little bit more neutral at the moment. And that one has like a really nice building background. Thinking of going there. Michelle's at work today, so we will see her tonight for dinner. My skin is feeling like a little crappy from the long road trip, so I'm putting on a vitamin C mask.
So apparently we were really close to Brickworks Burwood Shopping Centre, so we went there to go get something to eat, and Michelle actually suggested us to go there. There were a lot of eateries, but we decided to go and check out this one called Acre, which is like very, very unique. Check it out, guys.
So we just arrived at Acre. We're going to check this place out for breakfast, and Michelle actually recommended this place. It looks so cute. It looks like a little greenhouse. Look at behind here. Woo. The food is here. I'm so excited to try this. It is the crab scramble. Guys, I finally made it to Lucille. I've been here like 5 years ago. I can't believe I'm back.
Oh my gosh, you guys, it has been such a long time since I've been back at Lucille. I am so glad I chose to come here again during this trip because every single dish I order is so amazing. There has been nothing that has been a letdown, especially the soft shell crab jianbing, which is actually my favorite. You have to try it. Oh my gosh. It is amazing. You will not regret this. Guarantee it. Definitely order this one, you guys. Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, we are here with Michelle La-di-da in Melbourne, and we are finally making our gingerbread house kits together. And we also have the final advent from Sugarfina, which is a, chocolates and sweets and stuff like that, which we're going to use also for the gingerbread making process. Let's begin. Yay! So number 1 is the dark chocolate sea salt caramels. I don't really like dark chocolate, but I do like sea salt caramel. Oh yeah, it's actually really nice. Yeah, very caramelly. So number 4 is the raspberry Eiffel Towers, which I'm really excited to try because I love raspberries so much. Is it good? Well done. I'm struggling to get it out. Yes. I really like this one. It's very like raspberry, but like chewy with the gummy sort of texture. Very cute shape too. All right, I am going to start on the ice. Oh my god, how do people do this?
Okay, you guys, this was actually so difficult. Oh my gosh, I've done kits before and they were like really easy, but the icing here was like struggle street for me. I don't even know what was going on. It just kept falling apart. I am gonna go and blame it on the kit and the poor or the lack of gluey, sticky icing.
So since I decided to give up, I will continue to unbox the advent, which is the fun part, while, you know, the two houses get built. So we are up to day 5, day number 5, and we have the, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is strawberry hearts. Ooh, but they're like really big ones. I have the scissors. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, I think you guys will like this. Just try it. It's like really peachy or strawberry kind of flavor. Very chewy. On to the next 4, and we have number 9, which is the pink diamonds. Again, a jelly texture. I wonder what this flavor is. Okay. Like, I can't tell. I suck at this. I can't tell from the flavor at all. This all tastes like really yummy jelly. Lychee maybe? I don't know. Strawberry? I don't know. Strawberry? I don't know. Hey guys, so this is the final version of the 2 gingerbread houses, and oh my gosh, I obviously had a sugar crash and I did not finish unboxing the advent here, but there were actually so many other cool stuff in here, you guys. And Jason and Michelle did really well for this. The Costco kits were actually really you know, not that good, especially the icing. It was like very non-sticky, so I think we did really well for this, considering the kit was, you know, a little bit dodged. But yeah, what do you guys think of the gingerbread houses? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for tuning into the vlog, and see you in the next video. Bye!